Welcome back to Euro Truck Simulator 2 with me, Chili Smith, job for Sweet Truck All, job number 164.
Come and join me on my journey for a sweet truck all the road is where you find me, just give me a call.
Someone parked something there a bit awkward. That be me.
A toot of the horn, the adventures begin.
Driving late into the night.
Turn right.
We can see the
We're out anyway. Let's get it on.
Euro Truck
Simulator, come take a ride.
Take a second exit.
Roundabouts again.
Like a mother trucking family.
Euro Truck
Simulator makes you feel so good inside.
Euro Truck
Simulator, let's go
Stop.
for a ride.
Stop when you don't want them to stop. You don't expect them to.
Exit now. Get ready to turn right.
Come and join me.
Fixing your truck, it's broken.
Turn right.
The trailer should be alright now.
Euro Truck Simulator, come and take a
Yeah,
ride.
trailer's alright now.
Euro
Truck's a
Truck
bit
Simulator,
trucks.
like a mother trucking family. Euro Truck Simulator makes you feel so good inside.
Got a load
Truck
of
Simulator, let's go for a ride.
air conditioners.
Through the streets of Europe in career mode, can't you see
Going to
I'm
Roscoff.
pulling on a massive load?
We can't be late.
I don't think it's going to be enough to get us to
While searching for a
the
parking
next
spot.
XP
Take the second exit.
thing. XP thing, you know what I mean? Level up.
Overnight inside your man, and in the
Big
morning
tip.
start again. Driving
Exit
through the
now.
streets of Rome,
Roman
from the
fortress.
comfort of your home.
Euro Truck
Simulator, come take a ride with me.
Euro Truck
Simulator, like a
to see
mother trucking family.
There's a Roman
Truck
fortress.
Simulator makes you feel
Keep
so
right.
good inside. Euro Truck Simulator,
Don't boat crash
let's go
in this
for a
one.
ride.
50, what's that, 80?
Come and join me on a journey for
Sweet truck, oh.
On the road is where you find me, just give me a call.
Bum, bum,
Jump
bum.
in beside me and strap yourself in.
Easy to drive.
Honk on the horn, let the adventures begin.
Honk, honk. Coming out. Faster than you. Oh. Is that bend that crashed on nearly, do you think? Possibly.
You're going to hit something.
Say. Surprised you not said anything there, Dougie. Is that a policeman behind me as well? Full speed ahead. Not been indicating anymore. Top speed. A little bit quicker than him, so I'm going through. Got a job to do, can't be hanging around. Dodgy bends coming up. Needs to be in that lane. Sorry mate, cut you up. Did really. So 164.
Keep left.
Short job to Roscoff. Got a boat to go on. Hopefully it won't boot me out when I go on a boat. It has been doing lately, don't know why. But that wasn't a convoy from Calais to a few games ago that was now. I've not tried convoys since, it's not let me join my friend's convoy since then. I'm not moving my mouse at all. That's moving on its own. Western Superman. Speed now. At last. Maybe I should go for a bit of a trickier parking if I can on this one. Get the XP up a little bit. Only an extra 45 or something, but maybe it helps. So, hair conditioners. Not bottles of air conditioner. Air conditioners. Help you breathe easier. Spread germs easier. By keeping the same air circulated. Every day filters. Basically. Recycling germs. So far so good. We'll get down to Plymouth. Might see the roundabout with a bombed World War II cathedral. Which is next to the bus station.
Go straight.
Fix my truck at some point. I was in a bad crash on the last episode. 2 barriers. Going way too fast. Not paying attention. Something like that it was. A bit sharper, a bit steeper, a bit of a braking zone as well. So yeah, not the best driving. But hey ho. It's only a game, no one was hurt in real life. What's that clicking noise? Get in my ear. Doesn't show up on the videos. Sounds like the snap of fingers. Not sure what it is. Catching up this bread van slowly. Now that was. Is that automatic air brakes at the back going off? Nah, surely not. Might be. Don't sign out that though. Everyone's going the same speed. Ooh, apart from him.
Keep right.
You'd have thought that I'd have caught him up more being behind him. I thought it was a red van. The wheat gave it away. Could have been a cereal van. Come on, you've got loads of room to get by now, mate. Easy pulling. I can't go in the outside lane. Speed now. Going for it. Going for it. It says turn left now, I'm buggered. Gotta do it, gotta do it. Gotta do it. Oh no, roadworks. Exeter. Have I not discovered Exeter before? Really? Three abreast. That's knocked him back. Knock him back as well a little bit. Yeah. Oh, it's getting silly. It won't let me in. So just force my way. Wouldn't do that in real life. Plymouth. Let's get a boat. 43 miles. A30, that's right. It's A38 actually. Getting there. Bodmin, Oakhampton, that's not us.
Keep right.
That's the first Oakhampton turn that it gets everybody. You don't get that one. Cornwall. We're not going Cornwall anyway, we're going Plymouth. Devon Way, where they put the cream on first and the jam on second. On the scones. And they have a green and white flag, whereas Cornwall have a black and white flag. It's the same as the UK cross. Oh, UK, England cross with the white in red. England flag, not the Union Jack. England flag. The England part of the Union Jack. Cornwall and Devon have the same. Cornwall one's black and white. Black flag with a white cross. And the Devon one's a green flag with a white cross. Not many people know that. Slow down. Got boats to get on, yeah. It's a busy stop, isn't it? There's not many of those stops on this road in real life, so it does feel this tight. It's not like this. Mother trucking, policeman, mother trucking. Beast man, mother trucking. He wants to give me a ticket. For speeding like a twit. But I'm not. Piggy policeman, drive on by. Piggy policeman, go away. Oh, Plymouth with a big, massive lighthouse. Right, we're going to be going left up here somewhere. Not yet. Soon. Fire engine. Policeman. God, what's that? Oh, Mercedes or something.
Keep left.
So. Dropping down from gears. I don't give a truck. Ooh, look at that. Busy.
Keep left.
Must be Fadden. Off the A30. So it's always busy like that. them lights look red to me. Is that all they went through? One car? One lorry? One truck? Lorry. We call them lorries in the UK. L-O-R-R-Y. Lorry.
Exit now.
It used to be a HGV lorry, heavy goods vehicle. Now it's LGV, long goods vehicle. They're heavy and long, so there should be LGV, LHGV plus Q. Pulling a double trailer. D. So what's that? Ooh, here we go.
Keep right, and then turn right.
Traffic lights.
Turn right.
Rock and roll. Don't need no fuel. Simulator
Get ready
radio.
to turn left.
Simulation radio. That's supposed to be a bombed
Turn left.
cathedral. You can go straight on. There's no Starbucks there. Got the bus station on the left hand side now. Real life.
At the roundabout, take the first exit. Exit now.
Oh. Really? Toll point.
Keep right, and then turn right.
Me.
Turn right.
I am. Left roundabout.
At the roundabout, take the first exit. Exit now.
I reckon it's going to be an agency. Yeah.
Get ready to turn left. Turn left.
Brittany Ferries, welcome. Where you want me, mate?
Rerouting.
Oh, shut up. Got on that boat. Oh, look down there. Man. That way, through that gate. Yeah, there you go. Cheers, buddy. He is helpful, Stuart. Just didn't realise it. What you say, don't run him over. Alright, that way a bit. Okay, cheers, mate. So tight load. Look at that. What's put out there for? Soz. Soz. It will be soz. Soz in the UK means sorry. Oh, soz, mate. S-O-Z, not Z-O-Z. Oh. Someone's not watching what they're doing. Well, where am I going? I'm going Bilbao. No. Roscoff. Yeah. Santander. No. Roscoff. Yeah.
Never mind. I'll find a new route.
Alright. Let's crack on. You're almost done. Don't damage your truck, get off the boat. Driving the opposite side of the road now. I think so. Yeah. Oh, we're nearly here. Pretty cool. Thanks, Franco. Oh, it's not Franco, it's Pierre. Thanks, Pierre. Oh, Beastman. And Eurozone.
Get ready to turn left.
Thanks. Let's piss on Macron.
Turn left.
Piss up Macron zone. Piss up Macron zone. Out they couldn't even go.
Turn right.
E-I-E-I-E-I-O.
Here we are. Safe and sound.
We're doing it, baby. There. Go on then. I think I've got this. Round the back. Put it inside. Nice and easy. Good that. Oh yeah. Nice. Let's have a get on. Boom, 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 boom. Take the boom. Oh, not quite enough. Oh, so close. What's that? 33 off. Oh my. What can the matter be? I got stuck on the lavatory. So close, but so far away. Elite? Hardly. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe, leave a message, or don't. I'll catch you in the next one.